Are you looking? As people seek greater mobility and independence in their later years, the demand for high-quality rollator walkers with seats is rapidly rising. These walkers offer a comfortable, safe, and versatile solution, ideal for seniors who need support while walking or resting. In this guide, we evaluate the best rollator walkers with seats based on build quality, seat comfort, wheel performance, foldability. List number: Bariatric walkers for seniors. 500-pound heavy-duty rollator walker with extra-wide padded seat. 8-inch all-terrain foldable rolling walker. If you're looking for unmatched strength and comfort, this bariatric rollator is a top-tier choice. With a 500-pound weight capacity and an extra-wide padded seat, it's ideal for heavier users or those who prefer extra space. The 8-inch all-terrain wheels provide smooth mobility indoors and outdoors, while the sturdy aluminum frame ensures stability. The ergonomic handles reduce wrist strain, and its foldable design allows for easy transport. It also includes a handy storage bag and a comfortable backrest. While heavier than standard models, its durability and comfort make it one of the best heavy-duty rollators on the market. List number: Super lightweight rollator walker for seniors. Foldable rolling walker with seat and 8-inch rubber wheels for all-terrain. This super lightweight rollator is ideal for seniors who need a more portable, travel-friendly walker. Despite its light frame, it doesn't skimp on stability or comfort. The 8-inch rubber wheels handle various terrains with ease, and the padded seat is great for taking quick breaks during walks. The walker folds quickly for storage in car trunks or tight spaces, making it perfect for active lifestyles. Height-adjustable handles and reliable handbrakes ensure a personalized, secure fit. While it may not support the highest weight capacities, its ultra-light design is a huge plus for seniors who value mobility and convenience. List 3 foldable rollator walkers with seat for seniors, 8-inch big wheels, 350-pound weight capacity, balancing strength and maneuverability. This rollator walker supports up to 350 pounds while maintaining a user-friendly, foldable design. The 8-inch wheels are durable enough for light outdoor use, and the padded seat is a reliable resting spot. With ergonomic handles, a sturdy frame, and a spacious storage pouch, this model suits most senior users looking for everyday mobility support. The tool-free height adjustment feature ensures comfort for users of varying heights. While not as rugged as all-terrain models, it excels for indoor and sidewalk use. List 4 rollator walkers with seat for seniors. Foldable 8-inch big wheels all-terrain rolling walker. This rollator is designed for outdoor adventures with its rugged 8-inch wheels that handle uneven terrain like gravel or grass with ease. The padded seat and backrest add comfort for longer outings, and the foldable frame ensures you can easily take it on the go. The aluminum build strikes a balance between durability and weight. While the storage basket adds convenience, it's an excellent option for seniors who want more than just indoor mobility. However, it may feel a bit wide for narrow hallways or small apartments. List 5 Drive Medical 10257RD-1 4-wheel rollator walker with seat. Steel rolling walker, height adjustable, 7.5-inch wheels. A trusted name in mobility aids. Drive Medical delivers again with this versatile 4-wheel rollator. The steel frame is sturdy and supports up to 300 pounds, while the padded seat and backrest make for a comfortable rest option. The 7.5-inch wheels are perfect for indoor and light outdoor use, and the height-adjustable handles allow a customized fit. It features a built-in storage pouch beneath the seat, ideal for carrying essentials. Though slightly heavier due to the steel construction, it's still easy to maneuver and fold.